Ever found yourself reminiscing about the carefree days of childhood? Relishing the sweet, simple pleasures of fresh fruit, homemade jam, and the irresistible aroma of grandma's chocolate cake? When did these innocent indulgences morph into a gnawing sugar addiction? Sugar lurks everywhere today, in ready meals, sauces, beverages, and even in seemingly healthy options like muesli and yogurt. The food industry has mastered the art of manipulating our taste buds, hooking us onto a sugar-laden diet. Here's the good news though, with a few handy tips and a dash of willpower, it's entirely possible to break free from the sugar trap and rediscover the joys of natural sweetness. 1. Unmask the food industry's tricks. Scrutinize nutritional labels on packaging and sniff out the hidden sugars. Opt for fresh, unprocessed food over products high in sugar. 1. Hydrate with water, not soda. Water is the ultimate thirst quencher and an excellent ally against cravings. Jazz it up with fresh herbs or fruit slices for a zesty flavor burst. 1. Savor natural sweetness. Swap sugar-laden yogurts and cereals with natural alternatives and sweeten them with fresh fruits, dates, or honey. 1. Snack mindfully. Ditch the cookies and chocolates for nuts, seeds, or dried fruits. They're not just filling, but also packed with essential nutrients. 1. Embrace home cooking. In your kitchen, you call the shots. You decide how much sugar makes its way into your meals. So, get creative with recipes and whip up delicious, healthy dishes. 1. Eat attentively. Make mealtime a mindful experience. Heed your body's signals and stop eating when you're full. 1. Find non-edible rewards. Chocolate and cake aren't the only treats in life. Reward yourself with a massage, a movie, or a new book. 1. Exercise patience. Transitioning to a low-sugar diet isn't an overnight task. Cut yourself some slack and give it time. 1. Seek support. Share your journey with friends, family, or others on a similar path. Motivate each other. 1. Enjoy the process. Living sugar-free isn't about deprivation. It's about enriching your palate with new flavors, exploring exotic fruits, and relishing the pure sweetness of nature. Now what about you? Got any ingenious tips to cut back on sugar? Don't hold back. Share them in the comments below. Let's join forces and stand tall against the sugar monster. Remember, together we're unstoppable, your fellow superheroes, committed to a sugar-free future.